I need to know how to fix a GE profile refrigerator.
If the fridge won't stay cold, you're as likely going to need to replace the computer board as the thermistor.
I'd rather replace the thermistor than the control board. The control board costs a third the price of a new fridge.
A common problem they have is that the food freezes in the fridge.
I do not know if that's better or worse than having a fridge that won't stay cold.
Part of it is the temperature control not working right.
I'm assuming that has the same cause as not keeping cold, either replacing the thermistor or control board.
If both the fridge and freezer aren't keeping cool, you can check to see if the coils on the back of the fridge are warm.
They are supposed to be warm. That's how the fridge vents the heat from the fridge.
If there is a lot of space around it to vent and escape, the air behind the fridge won't be much warmer than the room around it.
I get it. If the waste heat builds up around it, the fridge cannot keep cold.
If there is ice on the coils or a cold spot, you've got a refrigerant leak. If the coils are the normal degree of warmth and not coated in ice, the problem is temperature control or sensors.
I'd hate to replace all the electronics hoping to fix the problem.
You can try to reset the temperatures via the control board after unplugging it and turning it back on. That sometimes resets it and lets both you and the fridge chill out.
I never thought my GE profile fridge would need to be reset like a gaming console.
A separate problem they have is leaks, where the water nozzle freezes and can't dispense water.
I'm assuming they did not then pour water into the freezer, causing the entire thing to be a block of ice.
A way you can fix it is pay to have a defrost kit installed, though it means you'll get cold water with ice together instead of separately.
That's hardly a problem compared to water leaking.
If there is a moldy smell that you can't get rid of by cleaning and drying out the fridge, it did leak into the door. The long-term fix for that is replacing the door.
How can I keep the water dispenser from freezing up again?
You can avoid that problem by clearing out the water supply line once, then running it at least once a day to prevent refreezing.